Greetings everybody, welcome back to the Den of Geek. Kind of wanted to give an update on this. Haven't done one since I unboxed it. So as you can see, I've got color on here. This is Rit dye, done kind of a fire glow kind of deal on here. The headstock, the back of the headstock. I did get the area routed for the bridge pickup, the correct Seymour Duncan one, and the area routed for the bridge, which is an all parts replacement bridge. So it's actually two parts. So I'll go right on there like that. So, and of course I've already shown you the Seymour Duncan pickups that are going in it. I had to order a new pick guard. This is the one that actually came with the kit, but as you can see, this opening is too big for the Seymour Duncan pickup. I got this pick guard from Pick Guardian, so he was able to cut that to the proper size, so it is all ready to go. I do have it all wired up. This is my mono stereo switch. Got my pickup selector in there. So that's all wired up and ready. I'll probably add some more shielding around to the edge of the pick guard for down in this area, and maybe some up here, I'm not sure. I do have shielding paint that I'll do in this cavity, and probably do the copper foil in this cavity and in here. Sorry, I've got a frog in my throat this morning. So I picked up a stereo splitter jack, so if I want to run and split this out into the classic Rico sound type of sound. Strap locks, of course, and I have a pickup surround that I ordered for the bridge pickup area. So it's actually clear, it's just got some covers over it. So I also have the hip shot drop D tuner for it, and had my son 3D print me a truss rod cover for it. Had to cut out the corners there, but other than that, that's really kind of all there is to it. This knot absolutely just did not want to take dye. So I had to really hit it hard. Oops, hit the camera. That was smart. So, but that's where we are on this. And I'll continue to work. There's been a lot of bad weather. I don't have a shop, so I have to work outside. So, do have the frets dressed and leveled, crowned, polished. So they're all ready to go. Just ready to start putting coats of clear on here, and once I get that done, then we'll get the assembly, and probably the next time you'll see it will be, I'll probably do a short video when I get the finish completely done before I do assembly. So there she is.